The goal of life is living in agreement with nature. Zeno. Leave the roads, take the trails. Pythagoras. My wish is to stay always like this, living quietly in a corner of nature. Claude Monet. Plant seeds of happiness, hope, success, and love. It will all come back to you in abundance. This is the law of nature. Steve Maraboli. Choose only one master, nature. Rembrandt.
Nature to be commanded must be obeyed. Francis Bacon. Every flower is a soul blossoming in nature. Gerard de Nerval. Nature always wears the colors of the spirit. Ralph Waldo Emerson. In all things of nature, there is something of the marvelous. Aristotle. Look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better. Albert Einstein. Study nature, love nature, stay close to nature. It will never fail you. Frank Lloyd Wright. Time spent amongst trees is never wasted time. Katrina Meyer.
One touch of nature makes the whole world kin. William Shakespeare. Colors are the smiles of nature. Leigh Hunt. Colors are the smiles of nature. Leigh Hunt.
Over every mountain there is a path, although it may not be seen from the valley. Theodore Recky.
Which quote did you find the most intriguing? Share your opinion.